Have you ever wondered how life will look like in 2050? A question that tickles the curiosity of many as we stand on the precipice of the unknown, the future. It's a realm filled with a blend of uncertainty and excitement, a cocktail that fuels our imagination. We find ourselves pondering, sketching mental images of what the world might look like several decades from now. The future, a vast expanse, uncharted, yet brimming with possibilities. So, let's embark on a journey to the future, to the year 2050. The progression of technology and societal changes is nothing short of astonishing. As we cast our minds back to the last few decades, we find a whirlwind of innovation that has shaped our world. From the inception of the internet in the late 20th century to the creation of smartphones in the early 21st, technology has been an unstoppable force, transforming the way we live and work. Societal changes have been equally profound. We've seen the rise of globalization, the birth of social media, and a growing awareness of environmental issues. These shifts have not only influenced our behaviors, but also our attitudes and values. As we gaze into the future, we see these trends continuing to evolve. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and renewable energy are just a few of the areas likely to revolutionize our lives by 2050. With this pace of advancement, one can only imagine what 2050 holds. Picture this: the year is 2050, dawn breaks and you're gently roused from your sleep by the soft hum of your smart home system. Your daily tasks are seamlessly integrated with advanced technology, making life remarkably efficient. Your work, no longer confined to an office cubicle, is a blend of virtual reality and artificial intelligence, where global collaborations occur at the speed of thought. Transportation has taken to the skies and the seas, with autonomous drones and subaquatic vehicles becoming the norm. Entertainment is a symphony of augmented reality, immersing you in experiences that blur the line between the virtual and the real. But this isn't a world without its challenges. Societal changes have accompanied these advancements, as we learn to navigate the implications of a world where humans and machines coexist. We grapple with questions of privacy, ethics, and the very nature of what it means to be human. It's a future that's both exciting and daunting, filled with possibilities and challenges. So what does this all mean for us? In essence, by 2050, we're looking at a world reshaped by technological advancements, where societal norms have evolved in tandem. We've discussed the possibility of living alongside artificial intelligence, the transformation of our cities, and the redefinition of work. These changes will undoubtedly have profound implications for us, both individually and collectively. The future is not something we enter, it's something we create. And so the real question is, what kind of future do we want to create?